Hello, welcome everyone. Let's continue today. Class 10 Mathematics Part 1, Chapter number 1, Linear Equation with two variable. Today we will continue with the practice set 1.4, page number 19, question number 2nd. Let's see the question number 2nd. I have given the given in homework last lecture. Those who has not got the correct answer, just kindly see this, and those who has got the correct answer, just see whether you have followed the same method or not. The practice set 1.4, chapter number 1, linear equation with two variable. Linear equation with two variable, practice set 1.4, page number 19. Second question, it's given practice set 1.4, 10 upon x plus y plus here 2 x minus y is equal to 4. Next one, it's given 15 x plus y minus x minus y is equal to minus 2. This is the resubstitution method. तो हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पे हमें x अपॉन वाई फ्रैक्शन में दिया है, डिनोमिनेटर्स की प्लेस पे x प्लस वाई सी दोनों डिनोमिनेटर्स की प्लेस में दिया है, डिनोमिनेटर्स की प्लेस में दिया है x माइनस वाई डिनोमिनेटर्स की प्लेस में दिया है, कॉमन दिया है. अगर मैं एक स्टेप्स करके मैंने उसको थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफाई कर दिया, 10 बाहर ले लिया, 1 x प्लस वाई प्लस 2 को बाहर ले लिया और यहाँ पे लिखा 1 x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू 4. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इट्स 15, इट्स गिवन 1 x प्लस वाई प्लस यहाँ पे रखेंगे और यहाँ पे माइनस ही रखते हैं, -5 है, -5 1 x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू -4. दिस इज़ आवर इक्वेशन. सी यहाँ पे क्या दिया है, 1 अपॉन एक्स प्लस वाई, ये हमारा कॉमन है और यहाँ पे ये भी कॉमन है, हमारा ये भी कॉमन है. तो क्या करेंगे, 1 x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू n, सब्सिट्यूट कर देंगे n, 1 x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू n, सो दैट आवर इक्वेशन विल बी ईजी. यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं, हम सब्सिट्यूट कर रहे हैं, तो सब्सटीट्यूटिंग क्या किया, x 1 अपॉन एक्स प्लस वाई m and 1 upon x minus y is equal to n. So here I'll write, see my next equation, it's a 10, this is a m plus 2 n is equal to 4. ये मेरा इक्वेशन बन गया. यहाँ पे हम इक्वेशन दे देंगे 1. यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट उसके नीचे लिखेंगे 15, दिस इज़ अ m माइनस 5 एंड इट्स अ n इज इक्वल टू -2. इसको इक्वेशन नंबर 2 दे देंगे. सी नाउ इट्स 1.1 practice set elimination method. +2 it's given, -5 it's given, already opposite number it's given. Okay, what we have to do, here 2 दिया है तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 करेंगे. here 5 it's given, if I multiply by 2, so I will get the opposite number, same number with the opposite sign. So by multiplying equation 1 by 5 and multiplying equation 2 by 2, ये कर लेंगे, बाई नहीं लिखते हैं. तो क्या हो जाएगा, हम 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 10 5 ज़ा 50m प्लस 5 2 ज़ा 10n इज इक्वल टू 5 4 ज़ा 20. दिस इज़ अ न्यू इक्वेशन फॉर्म. सो हियर आई गिव अ 3. 2 इट्स दैट 15 2 ज़ा 30m minus 5 2 ज़ा 10n is equal to minus 2 2s are 4 and equation number it's a 4. Okay, here what we have to do, see opposite number is there, opposite sign is there, so I have to just add 3 and 4, equation 3 and 4 I am going to add. So I put a addition sign here. 50 plus 30, that will be a 80m, plus minus gets cancelled, is equal to, see here 20 minus 4, we are doing addition so no need to change the sign. 20 minus 4, that will be a 16. So next step will be m is equal to, here we have a 16 upon 80. देखो 8 के टेबल में 8 2 ज़ा 16 होता है, 8 10 ज़ा 80 होता है. फर्दर रिड्यूस करेंगे तो ये 1 और 5 हो जाएगा. देयरफॉर m इज इक्वल टू 1/5. m की वैल्यू 1/5 हो गई. क्या करेंगे, m इज इक्वल टू 1/5 सब्स्टिट्यूट इन द इक्वेशन this. So we have to substitute in the equation the value of m. So m is equal to 1/5, substitute in equation 1. What is my first equation? My first equation it's 10m plus 2n is equal to 4. 10 m value it's 1/5 plus 2 n is equal to 4. Now what I have to do, I can reduce this 5 10 2. So here I write 2 plus 2n is equal to 4. This is a plus 2. If I shift that side, 2n is equal to 4 minus 2. 2n is equal to 2, n is equal to 2 multiply by 2 become divide by 2 is equal to 1. So therefore n is equal to 1. We get the value of m and n. Now what we have to do, re-substitute, because first time we have substitute, second time we have to re-substitute. So we write here re-substitute m is equal to, what is the m that we have assumed, 1 x plus y, and n is equal to 1 x minus y. This we have to do reverse process. Now we know the value of m. M value it's we find 1/5 is equal to 1 x plus y, and here n value we know, n value it's 1 is equal to 1 x minus y. See here 1 multiply by 1 multiply by x plus y is equal to 1 multiply by 5. If I multiply, so I get a 1x plus 1x is equal to 5. So here I get the equation x plus y is equal to 5. This sign upon 1 cross multiply, 1 into x minus y is equal to 1. So this will be a 1x minus 1y is equal to 1x minus y is equal to 1. So here I get another equation. So here I gave the equation already. We have given the equation up to 4. So here we write equation number 5 and 6. See, we have to find the value of x and y variable. So here now it's very simple. Just by elimination method we can do x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. X plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. This is our equation number 5 and 6. What we have to do, see already opposite sign it's given. So what we do, add 5 and 6. Here 5 and 6 equation is there. Here I put the addition sign. What will come, 1x 1x, 1x plus 1x, that will be a 2x, plus y minus y gets 0, 5 plus 1 6, x is equal to 6, multiply by 2 become a divide by 2 is equal to 3. So x value I got the 3. I have to find the value of y also. So what I do, 1x plus 1y is equal to 5 in equation 5. equation 5 substitute x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3, we have to substitute x की जगह पे 3 plus y is equal to 3 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 plus 3 is there, minus 3. Y is equal to 2, so the value of y is equal to 2. Therefore the solution of this question, therefore the solution of given simultaneous equation is x and y is equal to 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2, it's our solution. Understand? This is a very lengthy process, but it's very easy. If you understand the thing, what you have to do, you have to just go ahead without making any mistake. In very simply, you have to just keep focusing and concentrate and go ahead. 27 upon x minus 2 plus 2 x minus y is equal to 4. This is the one equation, it's given in the third question. And next 27 x minus 2 plus 2, sorry, I have written the wrong question. The correct question, it's 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 y plus 3 is equal to 85. Then next one, it's given 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 y plus 3 is equal to 89 is equal to 89. This is of equation 1 and equation 2 given in the question. See again what we have to do. Y minus 2 both it's given in the denominator's place. Y plus 3 it's given in the denominator's place. I just separate the whole number that is given in the numerator's place and then I simplify. So if I separate that number, what will be the step? 27 I take it outside and here comes 1 x minus 2 plus 31 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. Okay, no need to write anything. Then in second one I'll write, I take the 31 outside, so here it's a 1 upon x minus 2 plus 27 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. This is the two equation. Okay, what I do here, this is the same to make the question easy. So I write the substitute m for 1 x minus 2 and n for 1 y plus 3. Okay, so what I will get, my equation will be 27m plus 31n is equal to 85. Next one will be the 31m plus 27n is equal to 39. Sorry, it's a 89. It's a 89 number. See, my equation gets simple. 27m plus 31n is equal to 85. 31m plus 27n is equal to 89. See, 27, 31, 31. Generally, this type of question we have already done in 1.1 exercise. What we are doing, one time we have to add and one time we have to subtract. When we do the addition and subtraction, we'll get the two equation further. So first I do adding 3 and 4. I am adding. So what I will get here, I put a addition sign. So when I add them, I will get 8 58m plus here 58n is equal to 174. 58 threes are, if I do if I see the 58 threes are, so 58 threes are, that will be a 174. So 58 is a common, so by dividing 58 upon m plus upon 58 plus 58 n upon 58 is equal to 174 upon 58. Okay, so here what I do, by dividing 58 thoroughly, if we divide by 58 thoroughly, we get this 58 gets cancelled, 58 gets cancelled, 58 if I divide by this, I'll get the 3. So my next equation, that will be a m plus n is equal to 3. Here I write the next equation number, it's a 5. Now what I do, I subtracting. Now first first I now need a bigger number, so first I write the 4 minus 3. First I write the equation 54 minus 3. So first I write 31m. See, I first write this bigger equation, because subtraction is always we have to big minus small number. Okay, in spite of writing a first small minus big, then we need to change its sign. It's better to write a bigger number than smaller number. What is the next? It's given here, it's 27m plus 31n is equal to 85. Here I do add a subtraction sign, and here I write subtracting. By subtracting equation 3 from 4, we have to write one statement. 31m minus 27, that will be a 4m, plus here it's a, if I subtract, so see, all sign gets changed, the plus become a minus. 27 minus 31, so minus 4n, and here it will be a 4. Okay, so if here I get 4m minus 4n is equal to 4. If I divide by 4 thoroughly, divide by 4, so I get m minus n is equal to 1. This is my equation. What I get here, equation number 5. Here I'll write equation number 6. This is my equation number 6. Okay, now see, from the equations 5th and 6th, I'll get the answer. I get m plus n is equal to 3. M plus n is equal to 3. M minus n is equal to 1. I'll go ahead. M plus n is equal to 3. M minus n is equal to 1. This is the equation 5 and equation 6. See, if we observe, we come to know we have to just do addition, because plus m minus n it's given. So here we write adding equation 5 and 6. Add करना है, we have to add the equation. We have to add the equation 5 and 6. So plus m minus n gets cut. Here it's a 1m, that become a 2m is equal to 3 plus 1, it's a 4. M is equal to 4, divide by 2. If I divide, I get a 2, so m is equal to 2. Now in equation 5th, I substitute the value of m. In equation 5th, substitute m is equal to 2. So what I will get, m plus n is equal to 3. M value is 2 plus n is equal to 3. N is equal to 3 plus 2 become a minus 2. So n is equal to 1. So I get the value of m and n. So what I write next, substitute we have done first. Now we'll do resubstitute. So here we write a resubstitute. M instead of m is equal to 1x minus 2 and n is equal to 1 upon 5 plus 3. Okay, so m value we know, the value of m is equal to 2 is equal to 1x minus 2, and this side n value it's 1 is equal to 1 upon 5 plus 3. We solve simultaneously. So if we multiply 2 by x minus 2 is equal to 1 multiplied by 1, it's a 1. 2 into x, it's a 2x, minus 2 into 2, it's a 4 is equal to 1. 2x is equal to 1 minus 4 become a plus 4. So 2x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 divided by 2. We can say either 5 divided by 2 or x is equal to 2.5. Here 1 upon 1, which nothing gets given, so we have to write 1 upon 1. So here it's a 1. Y plus 3 is equal to this. So what we have to do, y plus 3 is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1 plus 3, it's there, divide, if it goes that side become a minus 3, y is equal to minus 2. Therefore the solution of given equation, x is equal to 2.5 and y is equal to minus 2. Therefore the solution of given simultaneous equation x and y is equal to 2.5 and minus 2. Next one, fourth one, 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4. Next one, it's given 1 upon 2 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Here no need to do anything. See, first we have to observe the question. When we observe the question, we come to know. We need, see, 1 upon 3x plus y, this is the question. So what I do in the equation, in equation 2, see, suppose I give here the equation number 1, here I give the equation number 2. What I have to do, see, this already I consider as a 1. Here I want to substitute 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to m, and I want to substitute this is equal to n, this, because 3x minus y, this I have to consider as a y. So what I have to remove, 2 from here, 2 from here, and this 2 can be reduced here also. So what I do in equation 2, see, its denominator's place is given, so I have to write the 2 in equation 2, multiply by 2. I have to do opposite operation, then I can eliminate that. So I write 1 2 3x plus y multiply by 2 minus, here what is given, 1 2 3x minus y into 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 8 into 2. What happened, this 2 gets cancelled, so what it's remaining, 3x plus y, here 1 2 again gets cancelled, so 3x minus y is equal to, here if I reduce by 2, so that will be a minus 1 upon 4. Okay, here this I give the equation number 3. So now substitute m is equal to, m ही हमेशा लेना है क्योंकि already they have used the variable x and y. m is equal to 3x plus y and n is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. m is equal to 1 upon 3x plus y, n is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. Okay, so now let's see what equation it's formed. So in equation 1 we get m plus n is equal to 3 upon 4. Say here we get the number in the denominator's place 4. We don't want this number, we have to eliminate this 4 number. So what we have to do, by multiplying, when we have to eliminate we have to do opposite operation by multiplying 4. Equation, here I give the equation number 4 truly, equation 4 truly, because we have to increase the value of the equation properly truly. We cannot just increasing the value from one side, we have to do it both the side. So 4 multiplied by m plus 4 multiplied by n is equal to 3 upon 4 multiplied by 4. So 4 gets cancelled. So what will be the equation? That will be a 4m plus 4n, n is equal to 3. This will be our equation number 5. The next m minus n is equal to minus 1 upon 4. This will be the equation of our fifth it's given. So here I write the equation number 6. Again I have to multiply by 4 truly. By multiplying 4 truly, what we will get? 4 multiplied by m minus 4 multiplied by n is equal to minus 1 upon 4 multiplied by 4. So what will be the answer? 4m minus 4n, 4 gets cancelled, is equal to minus 1. So this will be the equation number 7. See, if I take the equation number 5, so that is the 4m plus 4n, 4m plus 4n is equal to 3. Equation number 5, 4m minus 4n is equal to minus 1. This is the equation number 6. Opposite number is given, same number is given, opposite sign is given, so directly we have to add 5 and 7. Sorry, equation number 5 and 7. So this will get cut. Here we have to do addition. 4m plus 4m, that will be a 8m. 3 minus 1 will be a 2. M is equal to 2 upon 8. If we reduce, that will be a, if we reduce by 4, so 1 upon 4. Therefore m value it's 1 upon 4. Now what we have to do? We have to in equation 5 substitute m is equal to 1 upon 4. M is equal to 1 upon 4. What m value it's given? 4m plus 4n is equal to 3. 4m value it's 1 upon 4 plus 4n is equal to 3. 4 gets cancelled, so here it's a 1. 4n is equal to 3. 4n is equal to 3 plus 1 is there, if it goes that side become a minus 1. 4n is equal to 2, n is equal to 2 divided by 4, that will be a 1 upon 2. Therefore n is equal to 1 upon 2. We get the value of m and n. So now what we have to do, we substitute. What we have taken m 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to m, and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to n. 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to m. What is the m value? It's 1 upon 4. Here 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to n. N value it's 1 upon 2. See, if we multiply by 4, that will be a 4. If we multiply by 1, the value will remain same, 3x plus y. So 3x plus y is equal to 4. This is the equation I got. This is a new one. So here I write the equation number, it's 8-1. If I multiply by cross multiply, so if I multiply 1 by 2, that will be a 2. 1 multiply by there is a 3x minus y, that will be a 3x minus y only. So that equation is 3x minus y is equal to 2. Here I give the equation number 9. See, further still I have to work out to find the value of x and y. So 3x plus y is equal to 4. Equation number 8. 3x minus y is equal to 2. Equation number 9. Opposite sign is given, so simply we have to add 8 and 9. 8 and 9, this gets cut. 3x plus 3x, that will be a 6x, and 4 plus 2 will be a 6. X is equal to 6 by 6 gets cut 1. Therefore x is equal to 1. Substitute. X is equal to 1 in equation 8. Okay, so what I will get, 3x plus y is equal to 4. 3x value it's a 1, plus y is equal to 4. 3 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4, plus 3 it's there, goes that side, minus 3. Y is equal to 1. Therefore solution of given equation x and y is equal to 1 and 1. 1 and 1 it's a solution. So here we have completed the 1.4 exercise. I give you 3 sums that you have to, I am giving you this question that you have to write it in a home assignment. It's based on this exercise only. Solve the following simultaneous equation. Just note down this question, and that you have to solve in the homework once. If you have any doubts, so you can send me you can send comments to in the message. So here we end the exercise today and ending this lecture also. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.